Welcome to Maddie's Mystery Roll. Today I'm going to make cupcakes and we have the ingredients. I have a cup of oil, 3 eggs, and water. First we're going to put the water in like this and we're going to pour it all in. And then we need the eggs and then we're going to pour it in. And now the oil, all the oil goes in, and now we're going to mix it for a long time. Okay, and now we're going to use the cake mix. And we're going to take it all the way out. And now we're going to pour it in all the way. Now we have it done. Okay, and now we're going to scoop all the batter into the cupcake liners like this. First you take a little bit and you do this and then you let it drip, and when it's finished then we pour it, and we do now we're going to do the 2 cupcake liners with there, and we're going to do one more after that one. And we're going to pour it all inside. Done. And now one more. One more, okay? And pour it. Okay, now we're going to take the cupcakes out and we're going to decorate it, but first I'm going to let my mom do it because the oven's very hot. And now the cupcakes are ready. Go Now that the cupcakes are cool, now we're going to put the icing on like this. And we're going to squeeze it on. All of it on. And now I'm going to take one bite of the cupcake. It's good. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you. Whoops. I hope you like my video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and give it a big thumbs up. Bye.